Yeah, hello again. We stopped the last time exactly here. We shall continue the lesson. So we say that BA and CY are parallel. That's why we have these angle features around them. A is equal to D because they are alternate angles, and B equal to E because they are corresponding angles. And CDE, again the same reason, they are add up to 180. What is that? That they are angles on a straight line. This is the straight line BCX. BCX is a straight line or a half circle. Look, a half circle. So whatever angles on a straight line, they all add up. They must all add up to 180. So C plus D plus E equal 180 because they are all on a straight line. So this is the features, the new features, and we knew them already about A and D. Now we come to the new information about today, about what's exterior and what's interior angles. Do you see this angle ABC? The angles A and B and C, they are called interior angles, and the angle D is called exterior angles. And you have to distinguish. They are not different, but we have different ways to say an angle, so I like to say something about them. If I say ABC and BAC, ABC, I mean A, B, C. Which angle I mean? I mean B, the small one, this angle. I told you before, when I say ABC, I mean the letter in the middle. Which letter in the middle is B? So I mean the angle B. So when I say ABC, I mean the angle B. And BAC, B, AC, which letter in the middle is A? So I mean the angle A. And ACB, ACB, which letter in the middle? C. So I mean the angle C. So you can write it in both ways, correct. If you say the angle ABC and BAC and ACB are all called interior angles, or you can say B and A and C are all called interior angles, they mean the same. They are different expressions, but they mean the same thing. They mean the same angle. Okay, also concerning ACX, look, ACX, which angle I'm speaking about? I'm speaking about this one here, the D, the green one. ACX, this is D. This is called an exterior angle of the triangle at point C, because we have the triangle ABC. You know, where's the triangle? ABC or CAB or ABC or CAB or BCA. Anyway, this is the triangle. This is the triangle. So this exterior angle is at the point C of the triangle. This is the point A of the triangle, and this is the point B of the triangle, and this is the point C of the triangle. So this exterior angle is adjacent to this point, point C, not A, not B. Why? Because A and B are opposite to the angle. They are not adjacent. So they have adjacent and opposite. Opposite is far away. Which angles are far away from D? Is A and B. Which angle is adjacent to the angle D? Is C. So C is not concerned here, or the point C. Okay, we call this the exterior angle D by the point. We say D is the exterior angle of the triangle at C, okay? So what is the new information about today? We say, now we know what's interior and what's exterior. How you determine the angle D, not like what just like what we have done before. No, in the new method. The new method says, the new rule, which we are learning today, says that these two angles are equal. This angle, this D angle, is equal to the sum of these opposite angles, not C, the opposite angles. So A plus B equal D. Why? Because this is a rule. The external angle D is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Opposite angles have nothing to do with C. C is the adjacent angle to the exterior angle. So you have nothing to do with the adjacent angle. We speak about the opposite angles. So we see here that here is only there's another parallel line. It doesn't matter because D plus E, this is all called the exterior angle. This is all. This one is external angle or exterior angle. So this is all equal to A plus B. So B, angle B plus angle A is equal to angle D plus angle E, because this one is an exterior angle for this triangle at this point. So the external angle of any triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Please concentrate on the word opposite angles. We are speaking about B and A. B and A. C is not concerned because this is an adjacent angle to the external. We speak about the opposite angles. So this is a new way to solve the question. It's very easy. You can say immediately this is the new rule: B plus A equal D plus E, or and you can put only here D, the green D. You can put here only the green D, this one, because this is the green D equal to the red B plus the red A, the opposite angles to the external angle D. And the angle D is an external angle for the triangle at point C. So the angle C is not concerned. It's concerned because it's adjacent. We are speaking about the opposite angles. So now this is something. Can you determine the value of the two angles X and Y? I want the value of X and I want the value of Y. Now we have the triangle ABC again, okay, and we have here, this is the A, B, C are interior angles because they are inside the triangle, and X is external angle and Y is an external angle because they are outside of the triangle. But X is external angle at point A of the triangle, and Y is an external angle at point B of the triangle, and I want the values of X and Y. How you say that? X is external. Which angles are opposite to X? You have to add them. This is the value of X. So the angle X equal to what? To angle B plus C. They are the opposite angles to X, correct? These are the opposite angles to X, not A. A is adjacent. The same goes for that guy here. So the angle Y, okay, the angle Y is an external angle. Which opposite angles are for this angle? Which opposite? Is it B? No, B is an adjacent. You tell me then this afterwards. You can solve this for yourself. Try yourself to find the value of Y and X. Write it as an expression. Write the expression. You don't have number. You don't need number. Tell me only angle X equal angle A plus B or something, or angle Y equal angle B plus C. You don't need number to express this. If you don't know, I shall tell you, but I'm sure you shall know that. Okay. Now we come back to our old example. Remember the old example here, this one. Now we shall solve it according to the new method. It's very easy. Look what you say. Find the value of A. A here is an external angle and these are internal angles. So A is an external angle of this triangle at point here, at point X naught. So A naught equal to the internal angle, this one, this one. So A equal to 45 plus 80, which is 125. Look, the new method solved our example very, very quickly. This is solved now according to the new method, because the external angle A equal to the two internal angle, the two opposite internal angles A and B, 80 and 80 plus 45 give you 125. I give you homework for today, exercise 5.2, page 55. Try to do 2, 3 and 4. Try to do 2, 3 and 4, and then in 1 or 2 days I shall upload the solution for them. But go through the video again, and if you have any questions, I am ready to answer you. Thank you very much for your attention.